Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by adding your site to Google Search Console, so open Console. Google, and click Add Property. Choose domain property for full coverage or URL prefix for a specific protocol. I recommend domain when you control DNS. Once chosen, copy the TXT verification value. This proves ownership. Next, open your domain registrar or DNS host, create a new TXT record at the root, paste the value, and save. This step is critical because DNS verification covers all subdomains and protocols, reducing future maintenance. Once you've added the TXT record, return to Search Console and click Verify. DNS propagation varies. Make sure to wait and then retry if it fails immediately. If you can't edit DNS, use the HTML file upload or add the meta tag to your site's head. These are quicker for CMS platforms. Also link your Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager account for cross-verification. This helps keep verification stable when moving files. After a successful verify, grant access to teammates through Settings, Users, and Permissions. Finish by submitting your XML sitemap so Google can index pages faster. Enter the sitemap path under Sitemaps and hit Submit. Then review coverage to fix errors, check performance for queries and clicks, and inspect important URLs with the URL inspection tool. If you encounter issues, remember one key troubleshooting tip. Verification often fails due to wrong TXT formatting, missing host entry, or DNS caching. Double-check the exact string. Remove extra quotes or spaces, and allow up to 72 hours for DNS updates before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.